Hello, and welcome back. You're now listening to our first episode in the B1 B2 listening series, and I'm really glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something very practical and useful: packing for a trip. As always, remember, this is a listening-based lesson. Listen carefully, repeat if needed, and focus on understanding as much as you can without reading. Practice every day, and you'll see results. Let's get started. Whenever you're about to travel, one of the most important steps is packing your suitcase. Packing means putting your clothes, shoes, and other personal items into your bag or suitcase so you can take them with you. But how do you know what to take? Let's walk through the process step by step. First, think about the destination. Where are you going? Is it a hot country or a cold one? Are you going for business or for vacation? Your destination and the purpose of your trip will help you decide what to pack. For example, if you're going to a warm place, you will need light clothes like t-shirts, shorts, dresses, and maybe a swimsuit. A swimsuit is what you wear when you go swimming, in a pool or at the beach. You might also want to pack sunglasses and sunscreen. Sunglasses protect your eyes from the sun, and sunscreen protects your skin. On the other hand, if you're going to a cold place, you will need warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, scarves, and gloves. A scarf is a long piece of fabric you wrap around your neck to stay warm. Gloves are used to keep your hands warm. Next, think about how many days you'll stay. For a short trip, you don't need to take too many clothes. But for a longer trip, you might need extra shirts, socks, underwear, and maybe even laundry supplies. Underwear refers to your basic clothing worn under your regular clothes, like briefs, panties, or bras. Socks go on your feet, and you usually change them every day. You also need to pack toiletries. Toiletries are personal care items like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, deodorant, and maybe a hairbrush or a comb. A toothbrush is what you use to clean your teeth, and toothpaste is the paste you put on the brush. Shampoo is for washing your hair, and deodorant helps keep you smelling fresh. Don't forget your charger. This is the cable you use to charge your phone or electronic devices. If you're going to a different country, you might also need a travel adapter. Different countries have different types of plugs and electricity voltages. A travel adapter helps you connect your charger to the local plug. You should also bring your passport and any travel documents. Your passport is your international ID. It proves who you are and which country you're from. Travel documents include your flight ticket, hotel reservation, travel insurance, and possibly a visa. Many travelers also carry a carry-on bag or backpack. This is a smaller bag you take with you on the plane. Inside it, you can keep things like a book, your headphones, a bottle of water, a snack, and important documents. A snack is a small amount of food, like a granola bar or a sandwich. If you take medication, don't forget to bring it. You should keep your medicine in your carry-on bag, just in case your checked luggage is delayed or lost. Now, let's talk about packing tips. First tip: roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling saves space and helps prevent wrinkles. A wrinkle is a fold or a line in your clothes that makes them look not smooth. Second tip: use packing cubes. Packing cubes are small fabric containers that help you organize your items inside your suitcase. You can have one cube for shirts, one for underwear, and one for toiletries. Third tip: always check the airline's baggage policy. Some airlines allow one checked bag and one carry-on. Others charge for checked bags or have weight limits. It's important to know the rules before you go to the airport. Finally, make a checklist. A checklist helps you remember everything. Before you close your suitcase, check the list to make sure you didn't forget anything. So, to summarize, when packing for a trip, think about your destination, the weather, the length of your stay, and your personal needs. Make smart choices and stay organized. That way, you'll be ready for a great trip, without stress. Now that you've listened to this complete guide on packing for a trip, try to repeat some of the words and phrases you heard today. What do you usually pack when you travel? What's one thing you always forget? Leave your answers in the comments in English. I'll be happy to check them. And remember, keep listening, keep practicing, and don't give up. Your fluency is being built one word at a time. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lessons. Every week, we'll be here with more listening practice to take your English to the next level. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next class at the Fluent English course.